So this is question number 12 in your worksheet. Let us go through this question. A man pushes a cylinder of mass m1 with the help of a plank. This is a plank. There is no slipping at any contact. These are the crucial words. There is no slipping. What does that mean? The horizontal component of the force applied by the man is capital F. So could the man be applying some force like this also? They have not mentioned. Maybe it is not very important for solving this question right now. Okay. Find the acceleration of the plank. So if you push the plank with a force F, let us think of a free body diagram of the plank first of all. Free body diagram of the plank. So if you apply a force capital F over here, and let us take a point capital A of the plank which is in contact with this cylinder. Okay, basically A is actually a line which is in contact with the cylinder, but let us visualize it like this, and let us show another line A dash over here. Now the important thing over here is this is ground or the earth, right? And this is not moving. Let us take a point B over here on the ground, and B dash is the corresponding point on the cylinder which is touching B. Or you can imagine that B is a straight line going into the board. Okay, fine. So when you apply this force capital F, what do we mean by no slipping at any contact? It means there is no slipping here and there is no slipping here. Now what does that mean? No slipping. You can think of it, what no slipping means for you. Okay, let me tell you. No slipping means that when A moves and when A dash moves, the velocity of A with respect to earth and velocity of A dash with respect to earth, they are both same. That is what no slipping means. Similarly, the velocity of B relative to earth and velocity of B dash relative to earth, they also are same. Now you would say B with respect to earth is at rest, so this is 0. So that's why this should also be 0. So does no slipping mean that? Yes, it means that. And also if you differentiate this is at any time. No slipping at any time. So if you differentiate this, you get acceleration, and then if you differentiate both sides of this, then another condition or another implication of no slipping would be this, right? A dash. Similarly here also you can have. So this is what no slipping means. Now this is an important thing. Now when you apply this force capital F, it is obvious that the plank should move towards right, and so we expect a frictional force to be called into play. And suppose the frictional force which is called into play because of it touching the cylinder is F2 magnitude. Let us show it in the backward direction. We have no reasons to assume or imagine that this force F2 is in the forward direction. Is that okay? So the cylinder also tries to move in the forward direction maybe. Okay. So could we show the frictional force acting on this cylinder in this direction towards right, because these are like action reaction forces. F2 is the magnitude and capital F is also the magnitude. So this force tries to roll the cylinder like this. Now a friction should be called into play here also, where the ground and the cylinder, they touch each other, right? If you think that there is no friction, they have asked this question specifically. Frictional forces at the contact points, right? So what is the direction of friction here? Fine. That is first thing which you have to think of. So maybe we could write an equation of motion for this. Maybe we could write equation of motion for this. And then from there on you have to think about it. So let's take some, you can take some time and think.